Who wants to craft along with me? Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I hope you said, I do. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. I am not going to take up much of your time at all, but guess what? On May 16th, I am doing my second annual Spring Fling. It'll be on Zoom, and that means that we will all be face to face, virtually, and we will be crafting together. We'll have fun together. If you've ever been a part of one of my Zooms, you know that it is a lot of fun, and you know that we do some superb next level paper crafting. So mark your calendar for May 16th and then head out to my website to grab your ticket. I know that not everyone's budget is going to make it possible for them to be a part of this Spring Fling, and that's one of the reasons why I continue to offer wonderful paper crafting on YouTube at no cost. But if you want to spend some time with me, head on out to the website, grab your ticket as soon as possible so that you can take advantage of early bird pricing. And I'm reducing the number of seats that I'll have available in my Zooms going forward. So I don't have as many available as I had the last time. And the last time I offered 40 seats. This time I'm offering 25. So if you want a seat, head on out there and grab yours today. And you guys know whenever I do a virtual Zoom, I always make crafty supplies available to you. So let's go ahead and flip to the overhead camera so that you can get a closer look at some of the things that will be in your Spring Fling crafty kit. All right, so I've tried to make the kits match the fun, springy theme that we're going for. This is the kit as it looks today. My sister's putting these together, so she might add something else. I don't know, but I gave her free reign of some of the things that I have in here to put the kit together. So this is what we have so far. So I'm going to start at the back because each kit will have some 8.5 by 11 springy paper, some 12 by 12 springy paper, some white paper, a piece of acetate, a piece of lightweight chipboard, and a piece of medium weight chipboard. And then we're going to have some 4 by 6 matte papers like this. So you'll have plenty of paper because we are going to be paper crafting. Then there is going to be a full paper pad in your pack that will go along with the theme of spring. So this is Sunny Blooms, and it'll be a full unopened paper pack. Then there will be a full unopened sticker sheet. This one is 5 by 12 and it's double-sided. So you'll either get a 5 by 12 or you'll get a full 12 by 12 sheet, but you're going to be getting pretty much the same amount of stickers no matter which sheet you get. Then I wanted to throw in a nice fun springy file folder. And what I'm showing you here is just a representation. Your file folder might be different, your sticker sheet might be different, your paper colors will probably be different. But then we have a pack of ephemera, another pack of ephemera, and some 3 by 6 cards. Now I can't call these Project Life cards because they are not from that maker, but they are the same size as Project Life cards. So this is a general overview of what you can expect to be in your kit. I think every time that I do a Zoom event and I send out one of my little kits to go with it, I always get feedback that I cannot believe how much you gave. So head on out to my website. I miss seeing some of you guys, and I'd love to see you in this class. If you are not able to be a part of this class, I am planning some 2-hour sessions. So if you can't do this one, maybe you can do one of those. But also, I'm working on an in-person, meaning we would all be in person in the same room, touching each other, able to stand and talk to one another face to face. I'm working on that. I hope I can make it happen because I'm shooting for either late August or early September. And it'll be here in Charlotte, which means if you live close, You might want to drive. If you don't live close, you still might want to come anyway. It'll be completely up to you, but I hope that I'm able to pull this off because I want to be in the same room with you guys as we craft our little hearts out. But in the meantime, I have the link in my description box of this particular class. It is available right now. When the tickets are sold out, they're sold out. I'm not going to offer any additional seats because I do want to keep it at 25 seats that I'm offering for sale on the website. Y'all, thank you so much because when you sign up for one of my classes, you actually help to keep the lights on, literally. You help to keep my channel running. You help to make it possible for me to go out and buy those tools and other things that I'll buy from time to time to test out and share with you. And I truly, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate anyone who makes any type of investment in my channel and in me, whether that's attending one of my classes or simply watching my videos on YouTube. All of it means the world to me. So, as I always say, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.